Hey guys, let's do some multiplication today, and I want to show you how to do some of the more difficult multiplication problems. For example, this one here is 256 times 36. So we're going to use a lot of the same techniques that we have been using before when we've been multiplying like three-digit numbers by one-digit numbers. But this time we're doing three-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. So the first thing that we want to do is multiply these two numbers together. That would be the two sixes. So we're going to start with the ones place, and we're going to multiply 6 times 6. And if we multiply 6 times 6, we get 36. And what we're going to do is we're going to put that 6 down here, and we're going to bring the 3 up top. Now this 3 up top is important because all it does is we're going to add that 3 to the next numbers that we multiply. So now that we have done 6 times 6, we've done the ones place, now we're going to go 6 times 5 right here, and if we multiply 6 times 5, we get 30, right? So if we take a look, 6 times 5 is 30, but now we're going to add that 3 right here onto that. And if we do that, then we get 33. So now I'm going to take the 3 from 33, this one right here, and I'm going to put it right here, and then this 3 is going to go up here on the top. And it will be added in the next one. Because now we're going to multiply the 6 and the 2 here, and 6 times 2 is 12, and we add that other 3 to make it 15. And we just add our 15 because that's the furthest place value. So now we're done with the 6. So now what we have to do is we're going to start and go to the tens place, and we're going to multiply the 3. Now the 3 is not a 3, it's actually a 30. And so if we take a look and we're multiplying 30 times 6, like this, what we do know is that this 0 right here, we know that there's going to be a 0 at the end. So we can already put that 0 right there, and then we're just going 3 times 6, which is 18, and so we have the final answer of 180. So because this 3 is actually a 30, what we can do is automatically put a 0 right there. And that just means that whatever number we get, we're actually got an extra 10 on there because it's a 30 and not a 3. So now we're going to start and do the same thing that we did with the 6. We're going to start with the 6 and the 3 right here, and 3 times 6 is 18. We put the 8 down, and we carry the 1 and put that on top. Sometimes I'll X these out so I don't get confused when I add them all. And now we'll go 3 times 5 is 15, plus this up here makes it 16. I put my 6 down, I carry the 1 up here, and I go 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 more makes 7. And right now, I'm looking pretty good. So all I have to do is add these two numbers together, and I'll get my final answer. And my final answer is 9,216. And this is the more traditional method when doing multiplication with these bigger numbers. So we'll do a little more practice on some other ones to kind of give you guys a little more better idea of how to do this. But we'll save that for another time.